And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is yet again another double unboxing. This time we have Kamen Rider Double Heat Metal and Kamen Rider Double Luna Trigger. You guys see what I did there? So first off, yes, this is the alternate forms of Kamen Rider Double. Aside from his base, which is Cyclone Joker, he does have Heat Metal and Luna Trigger as his alternate forms. So first up in the box art, yes, we can see here Kamen Rider Double Heat Metal with the metal branding staff, emitting flames, and we have here Luna Trigger with the Trigger Magnum. I think they are shooting here with the Trigger Maximum Drive. So that's for the front of the box art. So off to the side, yep, we see them here. The side, yep, this is the side. So we see here Kamen Rider Double, Luna Trigger, and Heat Metal over here. And yep, some various poses and gimmicks that you can do to both of them. And yes, they are again marketing that with these kits you can interchange the sides. And yes, of course, on the other side, some information on the show when the forms debuted. So that's what we have inside the on the box art. So let's first crack open what's inside Heat Metal. So inside Heat Metal, we see one bag with two runners, all red, and the second runner has gray parts and black and clear red parts. Second bag has a grayish, kind of metallic, no, not really metallic, just a grayish, grayish brownish runners. A orange runner, a gray runner, the sticker sheet and the standard stand, and then the instruction manual. So that's what's inside Heat Metal. Now let's check on what's inside Luna Trigger. Luna Trigger, we are greeted with one bag, two runners, one all yellow, and of course the other one has a black, gray, red, and clear red bag. Second bag has a blue runners. Some I don't think this is the same orange as Heat Metal, but kind of the same. A light blue. Again, yep, the standard stand, and of course the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at each of the runners of these two kits. Okay, so first off, we have runner A, which actually has the main component of the body, the double driver right here, the V-pin, the parts for the eyes, the belt, yeah, and parts of the double driver also, which is actually just the same in Heat Metal. Actually, it's still also the same coming from Cyclone Joker. Okay. Then we have the B plate, or the B runner, B1, in fact, for Luna Trigger. Oh, sorry. For Luna Trigger, which is actually kind of this. Oh, it's different. The B1 for Heat Metal is different because in B1 of Luna Trigger, we have the Trigger Magnum here, but for B1 of Heat Metal, it's not there, but same runner, just different colors. And we have B2. So for the B2 of heat metal, we have here the metal brand. Yeah, it got out. So. And for the B2 of Luna Trigger, almost the same, except there's no staff here, and of course just different color. So yeah, basically what I'm saying is the runners of Luna Trigger Heat Metal is just the same as the runners of, yes, Cyclone Joker, only just different colors. As you can see, yeah, this is the C runner for Luna Trigger, all yellow. And if we take a look at the C runner for Heat Metal, it's just the same, just again different color. And yep, they have the D1, both have the D1 actually. So for Luna Trigger, it has two D1s. One is the kind of a golden yellow and a light blue, while the D1 for Heat Metal is one is a grayish, almost silver-like color, and one is orange. And I think this is where the parts differ already, because in Luna Trigger we have a D6 and D7, but for Heat Metal what we have is a D4 and a D5. And I think it was also different for Cyclone Joker. Of course, the sticker sheets, it will differ based on the markings on the body. Yep. So these are the sticker sheets. And yeah, the standard stand is just the same, and of course, yep, the instruction manuals. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the boxes of Kamen Rider Double Heat Metal and Kamen Rider Double Luna Trigger. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing the videos. And this is Mixerwars saying until next time, see you and thank you.